Why? Your brain resists change. Your brain is literally wired to keep you stuck. It's not laziness. It's a biological trap. You need to get out from it. Not easy. It's require your full concentration. You set a goal. You feel the spark of motivation. You put your mind towards it. And then, nothing. You feel like you're fighting against yourself, and because you actually are. Inside your skull, billions of neurons are firing, and most of them are firing the same patterns they always have. That internal resistance, that's your brain trying to save energy by keeping you in your comfort zone. This is called homeostasis. Your nervous system views change as a threat. Because they are used to old you, they are comfortable with it. But here's what they don't teach you. You can actually bypass this alarm system. Through neuroplasticity, your brain can build entirely new pathways at any age, with consistency and discipline. Growth isn't a mindset, it's a rewiring, and it starts with 3 simple moves. With these moves, you can change your mindset. Rule 1, the 2-minute rule. Start your new habit for just 120 seconds. You have to be consistent with 2 minutes won't trigger your brain's threat response. It's too short to resist, but long enough to begin. Rule 2, design your environment. Your surroundings are either programming you or you're programming them. Hide what distracts you. Place what grows you where your eyes land first. Rule 3, stack micro wins. Every small victory spikes dopamine and tells your brain this new path is safe. Celebrate it out loud every single day. You're not being dramatic, you're rewiring. Stop waiting for motivation. Start hacking your biology. It's time for a major shift. Rewire your brain, and the growth will follow. Change needs consistency, discipline, and time. For you to watch it to the end, you enjoyed it. Subscribe, turn on the bell, like and comment what you want to change about yourself. See you in the next one.